Today we are sharing the secrets behind our amazing Mega Open House events. In 2018, we will host over 5,000 Mega Open Houses and generate more than 40,000 potential buyers. If you want to attract the most potential buyers for your open house, then pay attention. In the first episode of this two-part series, we'll highlight the pre-event marketing. Here's what you need to do. 2 weeks out, order postcards, door hangers, or anything else you plan to mail and need to get printed. Record a quick video a week before the event. Email it to your sphere, inviting them to your open house. Highlight anything special about your event, like the Amazon Alexa prize pack drawing. List the open house in the MLSs by Monday evening. This will ensure the company-provided social media ads have the most impact. Create an event on Facebook, Nextdoor, Yelp, and Google. You and your seller clients are a team. Ask them to send emails and create social posts inviting the neighbors and friends to their open house. Nextdoor, the social network for neighborhoods, is a great place for them to post. This is one of the keys to getting the most visitors. Door knock. Get out in the neighborhood with door hangers, flyers, a buyer's market analysis, or local market report. Invite neighbors to a special neighbor preview and tell them what you have planned. Create Instagram and Facebook stories leading up to the event, showcasing the home. Start your stories on Wednesday or Thursday. Don't forget to use the location tag in your stories for more visibility. The company provided Zillow ads, digital billboards, and Facebook and Instagram campaigns will draw significant attention to the event. On Wednesday or Thursday, you will receive an email with your Facebook and Instagram open house ads. Share these posts on your social accounts and ask the seller to share it on theirs. This will generate a broader viewing audience, and you will both be able to see the engagement during the campaign. Put out plenty of directional signs, banners, and flags. Make these signs as visible as possible given your local signage regulations. Set up the Spacio paperless registration. Post a sign on the door saying, "For security purposes, the owner has requested that everyone register." Print your BMAs, Prosperity Home Mortgage flyers, and other materials. Remember to use the mobile app Flyer to easily share your app and set up a My Home Finder account for potential buyers. Get your Alexa device ready to demo the Atlanta real estate skill. The pre-event marketing to the local community, combined with our massive company advertising, generates the most potential visitors. At our last event, one agent had over 80 visitors, and the sellers were thrilled. The agent did a fabulous job of pre-event marketing, and the results were outstanding. Our next episode will cover the day of the event and post-event follow-up. And remember, nobody does open houses like we do Mega Open Houses. Now that's good to know.